Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. First off, thank you. We reached, not me, we as a community reached 100,000 YouTube subscribers. And because of that, you guys keep coming back. You guys keep watching more and more of my videos because I am teaching you something. So because of that, I don't just want to say thank you. First off, thank you. But in today's video, I want to teach you something. I want to show you how you can make $100,000 per year online. So in today's video, I want to go over my top 5 online businesses to earn $100,000 per year in 2020. So if you're ready, let's go. So if you're not there yet, you're not earning $100,000 per year, no big deal. I can help you get there, right? What most people do is they look at $100,000 and think, wow, that's an incredible number. I can never get there. And $100,000 is a big number, but let's break it down. That's only $8,334 per month or $274 per day. Okay, so if you break it down, okay, by the day, it's more manageable. $274, that's easy to do. And I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do that by showing you my top 5 online businesses to earn $100,000 per year in 2020. So let's get started. So I'm about to show you my top 5 online businesses to earn $100,000 per year in 2020. But what I want to say first, now first off, if your goal is $100,000 per year, hit that thumbs up button. Second thing is you can take every single one of these 5 online business ideas and make $100,000 from each one. Okay, I know you can because I've done it and I continue to do it. The other thing is, you can take those 5 businesses and just work on one to make $100,000, or my recommendation is you take a couple of these online businesses, you run them together and make $100,000 combined. It's gonna be much easier, right? So the very first way, the very first online business to make $100,000 per year in 2020 is becoming a YouTube influencer. So what exactly is a YouTube influencer? You're probably asking, right? A YouTuber just creates content. A YouTube influencer influences somebody's decision to do something or buy something. For example, a travel channel, a YouTuber that does videos on traveling. They could be an influencer because they influence somebody's decision to travel to a certain destination, which is fine. Or they could sell, or they could promote different, Airbnb, they could promote Expedia, they could promote different airlines, and in that way, they become an influencer because they influence somebody to buy through a specific website or platform. And through their efforts, they make some money, they make a commission, okay? And that is an incredible business. That's an incredible opportunity. So, for example, I would be considered a YouTube influencer simply because I'm also, you could call me an affiliate marketer, salesman, whatever, okay? But I could be called a YouTube influencer simply because I do influence some people to go and use a certain platform, such as, maybe they go and use TubeBuddy over vidIQ. I use TubeBuddy, so I influence people to use TubeBuddy as well. That's just a YouTube tool that you can use if you have a channel, okay? The best part about becoming a YouTube influencer is you can make money through sales, through affiliate sales, through your own sales, sell merchandise, sell your own products. You can sell your courses, you can sell coaching, consulting. You can do so many different things. And then on top of all that, you can make money through YouTube ad revenue if and only if you have over 1,000 subscribers on your channel and 4,000 hours of watch time. So why do I tell you that becoming a YouTube influencer can make you over $100,000 per year? I tell you this because I do it. The second reason why I tell you this is because becoming anything on YouTube, it's very difficult, it's hard, okay? It's very hard, but it is extremely rewarding. One thing I am allowed to do is go and travel, sleep in if I want to, do whatever I want to do with my friends and family anytime that I feel like it, simply because YouTube has allowed me, it has afforded me the opportunities to, do stuff financially. Plus, I have the time freedom to do whatever I want because there's nothing holding me back, holding me down, okay? And so because of that, I can go travel, I can go do whatever I want to do simply because YouTube, okay, has allowed me to create this online business that allows me to do it. Pays me and affords me the time, which is very important. So if you're looking for a great online business, becoming a YouTube influencer is awesome, okay? Guarantee you it's awesome, but it takes a little bit of time. So this is the reason why I say couple this with one of the other 4 businesses and you got yourself a $100,000 per year online business. So let's go to number 2. The second online business I highly recommend to earn over $100,000 per year is reselling. This means buying stuff from a retail store, a thrift store, a yard sale, wholesale, or maybe from somewhere over in China. You buy it with the sole purpose to resell it for a higher price. Okay? Let me show you. So right here next to me, I have this big box. Okay? So inside this big box is an electronic item. I picked this up for $20 and I sold it this morning. Okay? I sold this item this morning on eBay for $430 some plus $30 shipping, so I made like 430 or 60 some bucks. The cool part about this, okay, it's gonna cost me about $25 to ship, so I'm gonna make over $300 off this item. Okay, that's pretty good. $300 in one day. Okay, from this one item. This right here, I'm packaging it up right now, but this is an item that I actually sold on Amazon. Did merchant fulfilled on this one, this little guy. This thing I picked up for $5 on Facebook Marketplace. Picked this up, and that one sold for about $80 on Amazon. Okay, so there's over $400 or roughly over $400 in profit just right here in these 2 items in one single day. Now, is $400 in profit per day typical when you're starting out? No, it's not. Okay, but I guarantee you, you're putting the work, you learn. You buy stuff to resell and you continue to list and list and list and list items on eBay and send stuff off to Amazon, you will make some money. $100,000 will actually be a drop in the bucket considering what you could potentially make. Now, if you have questions about any one of these online business ideas, I'm gonna put links to at least 5 different videos down in the description box below, so you can go check those out. I'll teach you a little bit more about each one of these individual business ideas so that you can get further, make more money, and better your life. Online business number 3, and this is one of my personal favorites simply because I can do this anywhere in the world. I don't even have to show my face, and the best part is, it's free. What's that? That's affiliate marketing. Now, I do affiliate marketing mainly on YouTube and websites, but you can do it pretty much on social media, on Facebook. You can do it on blogs, through emails. The list really goes on how you can make money through affiliate marketing. One of the reasons why I love affiliate marketing is because I can take any item I have, I can shoot a video or write a blog post about it, put it online, and just wait for people to see it and potentially buy that product. For example, this right here, this is a Makita drill. This item right here, the reason why I love this is because this item actually came in a set. Okay, I have this, I have the impact driver, I have the brushless, actually I have a few of them. It's a brushless grinder, and then there's another thing that came in it. But this right here, I picked this up, I believe, sometime around Christmas time. Picked this set up, I think, for $99. Okay, 99 bucks for this cool set. The nice thing about this is it continues to make me money. I bought this years ago, and it continues to make me money every single week simply by creating those videos, putting up those blog posts, and waiting for people to buy this product. Okay, because this right here I promote over on Amazon. People go and buy this, I make some money. Pretty simple. One sale probably makes me, what, 10 to 15 bucks every single sale. And it's just because you put up the content, people will consume it, they'll see it, they'll like what you posted, they'll like your recommendation, they'll like the honesty that you have about the product, they'll potentially buy it. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing and you need some help, I'll put a link to a course down in the description box below. This course is called Affiliate Marketing Monster. It's normally a few $100 course. I'm gonna put a deep discount for you down in the description box below. This course is something that I actually don't sell. I actually don't push this out and try to sell anymore because I actually lock this down to only a certain amount of people who actually go through it. So because of that, I'm opening this up for you guys this one time. So if you want it, go check it out. There'll be a deep discount down in the description box below, so you can go check that out and get that as well. Online business number 4 is freelance writing. What I love about freelance writing is that, again, this is a business you can do anywhere in the world. I used to do this exact business, and I used to run a team of writers, editors, and managers down in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Okay, so Puerto Vallarta is it's not really it's in Mexico, but you got a lot of tourists, you got people from the US, Canada, all over the world, okay? So it's not like a poor place, but if you were to try to work down there, I lived down there for 3 years, okay? I lived down there a block from the beach for 3 years, okay? The best part about this was that I could do whatever I wanted to do. I could write, I could manage my team, for just a few hours per day. And I was making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day. And the cool part about this is you can write about anything you want to. I wrote about business, I wrote about real estate, I wrote about sports, okay? I was an actual editor for a sports magazine, okay? That's pretty cool. I loved it. It was a magazine over in Europe, which I thought was awesome. Okay, I did that for like 6 months, 7 months, whatever it was, and made a decent amount of money. I also managed a team of people to write articles for me, to edit the articles, to find the clientele, and we just ran a full-fledged online freelance writing business, and it worked. Easily made over $100,000 probably in the first year and a half, okay? Because it's something you can do. Now, if you're not sure how to make money, typing, becoming a freelance writer, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can go check out one of my videos on that exact topic. But here's a little tip for you guys. When it comes to freelance writing, first, don't think you're gonna get paid $50 for a 500-word article to start. It's not gonna happen. But charge somebody $5, $10 for a 500-word article as an introductory price, okay, to get them in the door and show them the quality of work that you can actually provide, and then upsell them later on, charge them more money, get more articles, and have yourself a full client. Somebody that comes back to you every single week with more and more work, because I guarantee you the more clients you have like that, the more money you're gonna make. And the 5th online business to earn $100,000 per year online in 2020 is becoming a social media marketing agency, or running one. And here's what you do. You go in, you manage, let's say Joe's barbershop down the street has an Instagram account and a Facebook page, but they're not getting followers. What you go and do, you go and manage their account. You do posts for them on Facebook, posts on Instagram, and also run ads. You can easily charge upwards of $5,000 per month to run ads, to do all the posts, to do all the marketing for their company every single month. Okay? The best part about this is Joe's Barbershop is just one business on the block. You go down to Sam's, butcher shop. I don't know if there's still butcher shops out there, but you go to Sam's butcher shop and you go and see, hey, can I promote your business for you? I'm gonna charge you $1,500 a month. I'm gonna do your Instagram, and I'm gonna run some paid ads for you. Simple, right? Then you go down to Susie's, beauty salon, and you ask Susie, hey, can I do your advertising for you? I'm gonna charge you $2,500. I'm gonna do some YouTube videos. I'm gonna do your Instagram account, and I'm gonna run paid ads for you. Cool. Now you got Susie, you got Sam, and you got Joe's, barbershop, whatever. You got all these 3, 4 businesses out there paying you every single month, $5,000, $2,500, $1,500, maybe $10,000 or more. Or you got some little mini mom and pop shop paying you, $750 every single month to run their ads for them. At the end of the month, all you need is $8,334 at the end of the month. Now granted, that $8,334 does not include any expenses, doesn't include any taxes, okay? That's just pure income. Alright, so there you guys go. Those are my top 5 online businesses to earn $100,000 per year online in 2020. If you guys have any questions on any one of these 5 business ideas, let me know. You can always ask questions down in the comment section below. Feel free to browse inside the description box and look at some of the other videos. You can get a better idea of how you can start and run some of these different businesses. But as I said, if you have questions, let me know. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, Click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.